Alright guys, we're going to practice with a Reckon Rec today. So you've been doing it on Boom Learning and you've been doing some videos on YouTube. This is the first video that I'm recording with my new Reckon Rec. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to use one finger, one move to show you the numbers. Then I want you to tell me what number I'm showing. Okay, here we go. Start with an easy one. Remember, this is, before we get started, when they're over on the right side, this is the right side. When they're on the right side, that means they're at rest. And over here on the left, we're showing 0. So we are showing 0 on our Reckon Rec right now. When you want to show a number bigger than 0, you move beads over to that left side. So you're taking them out of the rest side and moving them over here. So how many am I showing?
2 gallons, 3 gallon, 1 gallon, 6 cheer, satin, 1 more.
I'm showing all the red beads. I'm showing five.
I'm gonna get you a water sprinkle key. That's one of the things I was looking at getting you for
Showing 5 beads. Remember, there are 5 red and 5 white on the top row, 5 red, 5 white on the bottom row, and then we put them to rest when we're done. Now I'm showing 0 again. Watch me move them now. I have all 5 red plus 1 extra white. So all together, I am showing 6. So this is the same as saying 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, moving them to rest.
So whatever the backboard do, I guess.
Okay, I'm showing 0 with 1 finger. Can I move this many? I have most of them over here. You can quickly see that I have 1 left, and you can do it like this. 10 subtract 1 equals 9. So that means I should have a 9 over here. Nine. Moving back to rest. How many did I show? 2. Back to rest. I moved 5 red and 3 white. You can also see that there's 2 white left over here. You have 2 ways you can think about this. You can think about it as addition. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Or you can think about it like this. 10 subtract 2 is 8. Whichever way your brain works best. rest. Okay, for this one, you can subitize it because it's kind of a small number. It's easy to subitize. Or you can see that out of the 5 red beads, there's 1 over here. So 5 subtract 1 equals 4. Back to rest every time. Okay. I like to think about this one like this. 5. We know it's 5 because I used all the red beads. I want you to really notice and know in your brain that if I grab all of the red, that means there's 5. And then you're adding the white ones. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. You gotta think in sets of 5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Back to rest on the right side. Okay, here's another one that's easy to subitize. If you're having trouble subitizing, think of it again in sets of 5. So I have 2 red over here, and I have 3 over here. So 5 subtract 2 equals 3. You have 3 over here. Back to rest. Here's a really easy one, guys. One. Easy. Here's another really, really easy one. Move it back to rest. I moved all of them. Remember, there's 10 on the top row. 5 plus 5 red plus 5 white equals 10 altogether. So I'm showing 10 on the top row, 0 on the bottom row. Move back to rest. Okay, guys, we're going to do team numbers tomorrow. So be ready for that. Tomorrow we're going to use the bottom row as well. All right, guys, have a great day.